AI is on the rise. It's transforming industries, disrupting markets, and raising questions about the future of work. But will it really take over all jobs? Myth or reality? Join us as we explore this hotly debated topic from a unique angle, the nonprofit sector, and discover why IntDEv Academy is your go-to place for mastering the skills of the future. AI is everywhere. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, it's revolutionizing the way we live and work. But the question remains, will AI take over all jobs, leaving humans obsolete? Let's dive deep into this question, but with a twist. We'll look at the impact of AI through the lens of the nonprofit sector, a realm where human compassion and ingenuity are paramount. First, let's address the myth. The idea that AI will completely replace human workers is a simplification. While AI is incredibly powerful, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. In the nonprofit sector, AI is being used to enhance human capabilities, not replace them. For example, AI algorithms are helping NGOs predict and prevent natural disasters, allowing them to allocate resources more effectively. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns that humans might miss, but it's the human touch that makes the real difference. Nonprofits rely on empathy, creativity, and critical thinking, skills that AI simply can't replicate. AI is not here to take over jobs, it's here to augment them. In the nonprofit world, AI is becoming a powerful tool that allows organizations to do more with less. Consider fundraising, a critical function for nonprofits. AI-driven platforms can analyze donor behavior, predict giving patterns, and even personalize appeals. But it's the human fundraiser who builds relationships and connects with donors on a personal level. AI can handle the mundane tasks, freeing up humans to focus on what they do best, connecting with people and making a real difference. The future of work is not about humans versus AI. It's about humans and AI working together. In the nonprofit sector, this collaboration is already happening. Take, for example, education nonprofits. AI is being used to personalize learning experiences for students, providing tailored resources and feedback. But it's the teachers and educators who inspire, mentor, and guide students on their journey. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. In the nonprofit sector, AI is empowering humans to achieve more, not replacing them. So, how do we prepare for this AI-driven future? The answer lies in education. At IntDEv Academy, we believe in empowering individuals with the skills they need to thrive in an AI world. Whether you're looking to enhance your current skills or pivot to a new career, our courses are designed to help you navigate the evolving job market. From AI literacy to data analytics, we offer a comprehensive curriculum that equips you with the knowledge and tools to work alongside AI, not against it. In the nonprofit sector, the human element is irreplaceable. AI can help organizations be more efficient, but it's the people who drive the mission forward. By embracing AI, nonprofits can do more good, reach more people, and make a gangdada impact. But they need skilled individuals who understand both the technology and the human side of the equation. Join us at IntDEv Academy and be part of this exciting future. Together, we can harness the power of AI to create a better world. So, is the AI takeover a myth or reality? The answer is clear. It's a collaboration. And at IntDEv Academy, we're here to help you thrive in this new era. Don't miss out on the skills that will define the future. Subscribe now and be part of the movement that's shaping the world of tomorrow.